Hello everyone. So today we are making carrot rice. It is a very healthy and delicious meal option that you should include in your kids' diet, as carrot is a superfood filled with vitamins, minerals, fiber, beta carotene, which is very essential for our body. It helps to improve the eye health as well as increases immunity and lowers the cholesterol levels in our body. So it is very important that we include carrot in our diet. So let's get started with the recipe.